What's the meaning of achiever? Achiever. 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 An achiever is someone who sets and achieves goals. They are motivated and driven to succeed, and they are not afraid of hard work. Achievers are often successful in their chosen field, but they may also be successful in other areas of their lives, such as their personal relationships or their hobbies. Here are some of the qualities that define an achiever. Motivation. Achievers are motivated to succeed. They have a clear vision of what they want to achieve, and they are willing to put in the hard work to make it happen. Drive. Achievers are driven to succeed. They are not afraid of challenges, and they are always looking for ways to improve themselves. Resilience. Achievers are resilient. They are able to bounce back from setbacks, and they never give up on their goals. Discipline. Achievers are disciplined. They are able to stay focused on their goals, even when it is difficult. Optimism. Achievers are optimistic. They believe in themselves and their ability to succeed. If you want to be an achiever, it is important to develop these qualities. You can do this by setting goals, planning your work, and taking action. It is also important to believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.